Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be signing some books and packaging things for giveaways, and we're going to do some writing. So it's going to be a great day. Let's go. All right, day 14, here we go. It is already after lunch. I got my video up. I got ready for the day. I worked on some planner stuff and some admin things. I sent out the form for anyone interested in a Raleigh meetup. So if you didn't see that yet, you can find it on my community tab, or if you emailed me, I emailed it to you yesterday. But one of the big things that I've had to do all month that hasn't gotten done yet, it's been on my to-do list every day, is to package up and sign all of the giveaways that I did for my big fan event celebrating my 13th anniversary of my first book, Beautiful Demons, which I don't actually have right here. I do it every year. It's 13 days of celebration. It's called the Spooktacular, and I give away over $1,000 of prizes. And I also donate over $1,000 to Comfort Cases, which is a organization that provides backpacks and other things for kids going into foster care. So if you would like to join me in donating to that here in the US, I will leave a link for Comfort Cases down below. It is a near and dear subject to my heart, and I definitely love to give a little bit back to them every year if I can. So I have lots of giveaways here. A lot of them are books. Some of them will go into just, I do usually have mailers that are like purple, but this year what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these brown mailers for some of the just singleton books. Actually, there's not many of those. There might only be one. And then I also have boxes. I do not have any fancy branded boxes that say Sarra Cannon or anything like that. So what I've done instead, just because I don't ship out things as often enough to have a box designed yet, but maybe for a Kickstarter, is I get these book boxes from Uline, and I bought enough last year that in bulk that I will be able to do all of my signed books and giveaways again this year with that same lot. But in order to sort of fancy up the book boxes, I bought tape from Sticker Mule, and it came in a massive set of like 5 of these rolls. And so I have lots of it, and it has just my logo, my main color, and some of the just like elements and things and designs from my logo. And it's that purple. So I will tape up the box, and I will also put a line of tape on this plain envelope, which kind of makes it special. And everybody really loved getting that last year. This particular tape needs to be wet on the back. And so I didn't realize that when I ordered it, by the way. I'm sure there are machines that make these wet that make it a lot easier, but I just take a little bowl and a sponge and I make it wet, stick it on, and it works fine. I also bought these little round stickers here that have my logo on them to put the tissue paper on. I have pink and purple tissue paper. I also have some postcards that have a quote from Demons Forever, which is the 6th book in the series. I have a few different stickers. So I have one that is a Demons Peachville High cheerleading sticker. I have one that says Addicted to Sarah hangers, which is what my fans lovingly call my cliffhangers at the end of almost literally every chapter, as well as every book. And then I have Sir Bean, which is a knight riding a coffee bean. This is the logo for the cafe in my Witch's Key series. And so I'm going to be putting those, stuffing those in. I also just have some plain note cards to sign if I decide to do it that way, but I think I'm going to actually just write it on the back of here. So we have giveaways here from like annotating supplies to some bookmarks that I had made from a local farmer's market artisan that has my book cover in resin, and then the bookmark itself. And then I also have some books to sign. Some giveaways went out digitally. Some of them I also have a Kindle Paperwhite. This was one of the biggest gifts that we gave away, so I'm excited to get that packaged up and sent out. So yeah, lots of little things to do. And then I also want to make sure that I'm getting some writing done. So we're going to get it all done today and it's going to be awesome. So let's go. I don't know how well you can see it, but we just have cows that have just entered our backyard that we allow to come in from our back neighbor, and it always makes me so happy. It's such a beautiful day outside today, and so I'm happy. So when it's packaged, here's what the box looks like. This has 3 books in it because I cannot fit 3 of my books into one of the other little things. Now I can send this media mail here in the United States, but of course if I have to ship this overseas, it's going to cost a lot of money. But I do keep all of my giveaways open internationally because I have a global audience and I never want anyone to feel left out. So if it costs me an extra 20 bucks to ship it out, I'm happy to do that. This one's going to the US though, and my first giveaway is packaged up. What I will do from this point is I'm gonna actually just put a sticky note on here that says which one this is, and then I am going to take these into my office when I'm done with all of them, and I will put them on my postage scale, and I use stamps.com, and I will print out all the postage for this, and then all I have to do is just run to the post office and put them at the front desk, and I don't even have to wait in line, and that is super helpful. So first one's done.
Before the sun goes down.